Obviously, some big restrictions coming for the state of Utah, although the governor emphasizing once again that he is not ordering businesses to close, but he is asking for more adherence to COVID-19 guidelines, a new state of emergency, and a new public health order being implemented right now. Let's go over what the governor highlighted in his remarks to the people of Utah. A statewide mask mandate will be in effect. Now, this will supersede the one he had earlier required for counties in the high transmission area. It is for all businesses. It's for anyone you don't live with. This one will also be enforceable with fines for violators. Now, there are limits for social gatherings outside of your household. Violations for those who hold big events without social distancing and masks, up to $10,000 per violation. Now, other big announcements the governor made just a short time ago: extracurricular activities in schools now on hold. That is things like clubs, band, orchestra, some athletics. Playoff games will not be affected, only if they can follow the physical distancing requirements for fans and testing requirements for athletes. Now, they're going to be allowed to finish up. And this is something that Fox 13 first reported on Friday: rapid COVID-19 testing for all college students. The governor announced that tonight it will be conducted on a weekly basis. Now, just a short time ago, I spoke to the Utah State Schools superintendent, who tells me that schools will not be closing.
This is not a mandate about closing schools. So this is really looking at that ecosystem outside of schools, clubs, activities, things that happen in the community, and trying to stop the spread there where it seems to be coming into the schools.
Now, this all goes as Utah nears a breaking point. Our hospitals, quite frankly, are full with COVID patients, and healthcare workers are very much overwhelmed. Public health workers have become increasingly critical about the state's handling of the COVID-19 crisis. I spoke with one who's called on the governor to do a lot more, Dr. Eddie Stenahem, an infectious diseases specialist at Intermountain Healthcare. He says their ICU is already full tonight.
If you look at our case rates over the past 2 to 4 weeks, and now you look at our hospitalization numbers going up and continuing to go up, and we anticipate them to continue to rise, over the course of the weeks, you really have to do something. And I think this is a great recognition in the fact that he's moving forward and recognizing that, listen, we have to do something as a community if we want to change the path that we're on.
Now, the public health order will go into effect at 1 o'clock tomorrow. It will last until November 23rd, although it is expected some aspects of it, particularly the statewide mask mandate, the governor will extend. Live on the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.